Today, we're diving into a thrilling comparison between two powerhouse touring tires, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 and the Bridgestone Turanza T005. Get ready to see which tire could elevate your driving to new heights. First up, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2, renowned for its efficiency and grip. This tire promises outstanding performance with innovations like wear control technology, designed to extend tire life while maintaining optimal safety. In the opposite corner, we have the Bridgestone Turanza T005, known for its exceptional comfort and wet weather handling. Its high silica compound and pressure distribution technology ensure enhanced grip and a smoother ride, even in heavy rain. On the wet track, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 has a slight edge in stopping distance, but Bridgestone's Turanza T005 offers superior aquaplaning resistance, maintaining control at higher speeds. Dry roads bring out the best in the Bridgestone Turanza T005, where its tailored tread design offers a slight advantage in braking efficiency over the Goodyear. Turning to tire longevity, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 significantly outperforms in mileage, offering up to 65,700 kilometers compared to Bridgestone's 40,400 kilometers. This makes it an excellent choice for drivers looking for a tire that lasts longer. In terms of environmental impact, the Goodyear also leads with a lower abrasion rate, producing fewer tire particles per kilometer, which is crucial for reducing environmental pollution. When it comes to ride comfort, both tires excel, but Goodyear pulls ahead with a quieter operation, minimizing road noise significantly and enhancing the overall driving experience. Fuel efficiency is tightly contested, with both tires demonstrating low rolling resistance, though Bridgestone edges out slightly, offering better fuel economy, which might save you money over time. Choosing the right tire depends on your specific needs. If you value a tire that excels in dry braking and fuel efficiency, the Bridgestone Turanza T005 is a fantastic choice. However, for those prioritizing longevity, reduced road noise, and lower environmental impact, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 stands out as the top contender. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.